I am going to tell you about the birth chart of the Janma Kundali. This figure shows the horizon, which is of 360 degrees, which is divided into 12 equal parts. 360 degrees divided by 12 is equal to 30 degrees. Each part is of 30 degrees. So these are the 12 equal parts of the horizon. This is the part number 1, 2, third part, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So each part is of 30 degrees and equally divided. The horizon is equally divided. So based on this, the birth chart of Janma Kundali is formed. This figure shows the basic skeleton of the birth chart here, and we have to go from in anti-clockwise direction, starting on the first. This is the first house. This is second house. This is third. This is fourth house. This is fifth house. This is sixth. This is seventh. This is eighth. This is ninth. This is 10th. 11th. 12th. This cubical structure is known as house, and which is of equal degrees. So this is the birth chart of Janma Kundali. This 12 figure is very important in Vedic astrology. There are 12 houses, 12 stars and 12 rashis. So following are the 12 stars: Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Rahu, Ketu, Neptune, Pluto and Saturn. This figure shows the placement of the stars in the houses. In this figure, Sun is placed in first house. Now, Mercury is placed in second house. Venus is placed in third house. Moon in fourth house. Jupiter in fifth house. Rahu in sixth. Mars seventh. Saturn eighth. Harsha ninth. Neptune and 10th. Pluto 11th. Ketu in 12th. So these are the placement of the stars in the houses. There can be one, two or many stars in one house. There are 12 rashis, and each rashi is having its own unique number. This figure shows the birth chart having rashis present in them. So the numbers are given to the rashi. First number is given to Aries, second Taurus, third Gemini, fourth is Cancer, fifth is Leo, sixth is Virgo, seventh Libra, eighth Scorpio, ninth Sagittarius, 10th Capricorn, 11th Aquarius, 12th Pisces. So these numbers are given to the rashis, 12 rashis, and the rashi which is present in the house, the number is mentioned here. So in the first house, the 7 number rashi which is Libra is present. In the second house, 8 number Rashi, Scorpio is present, and so on. So I will write here. First house, Libra is present. Second house, Scorpio. Third house, so fourth house, Capricorn. Fifth house, sixth house, 12 number Rashi, Pisces. Seventh house, which is this so this is sixth house, this seventh house, Aries. Eighth house, which is this Taurus. Ninth house, Gemini. 10th house, 4, Cancer. 11th house, Leo. 12th house, Leo. So these are the Rashis present in the house. In these houses, in this birth chart. Only one Rashi is present in one house. Unlike stars, stars can be one or many in one house, but one Rashi is present in one house. The figure shows the total chart, which indicates the Rashis and stars present in each houses. The figure the chart will be complete by showing all the Rashis and stars present in all the houses. For example, in the first house, seventh Rashi, which is Libra, and Sun is present. So, in first house, Sun of Libra. In second house, Mercury of Scorpio. In the third house, Venus of Sagittarius. In the fourth house, Moon of Capricorn. In the fifth house, Jupiter of Aquarius. In sixth, Rahu of Pisces. In seventh, Mars of Aries. In eighth, Saturn of Taurus. Ninth house. This is ninth house. Harishal of Gemini. In 10th house, Neptune of Cancer. In 11th house, Pluto of Leo. And 12th house, Ketu of Virgo. So, like on, we have to give the weightage to all the houses. Each Rashi is having its own owner, which is called Adhipati or Bhavesh. I will write down Mars, owner of Roman Aries, number 8, Scorpio, Venus is owner of Taurus and Libra. Jupiter, around 9 members, Sagittarius and Pisces. Saturn, Capricorn and Aquarius. Mercury, owner of Gemini and Virgo. Sun, owner of Leo. Moon, owner of Cancer. Rahu, Ketu, Neptune, Pluto, Harsha. They are not having any Rashis under them. All these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury having 2 Rashis under them, while Sun and Moon are having only 1 Rashi under them. Rahu, Ketu, Neptune, Pluto and Harsha, they do not have any Rashis under them. So, in this figure, in the first, the house is not having its own owner. It is having the owner of Rashis which is present in the house. For example, in the first house, 7 number, Libra is present. So owner of the first house is Libra's owner, which is Venus. So first house here, owner is Venus. In the second house, 8 number Rashi, Scorpio is present. Owner of the Scorpio is Mars. So owner of the second house is Mars. In the third house, 9 number is present, which is Sagittarius. Owner of the Sagittarius is Jupiter. In the 10th house, 4 number Rashi, which is Cancer. Owner of the Rashi is Moon. In 12th house, this is 12th house. 6 number Rashi is present, which is Virgo. Owner of the Virgo is Mercury. So, the owner of the houses are the owner of the Rashis present in that houses, and that's why this is the way how we can judge the owners of the houses.